Hey there and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. If you're using the Kick app on your Android phone and want to customize your chat experience, adjusting the text size can make a big difference. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the chat text size step by step. First, open the Kick app on your Android mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the channel where you want to join the chat. Then, click on the chat area to open the conversation window. After that, click on the three dots located inside the chat section. Now, look for the text size option from the menu that appears. Choose the text size you prefer. Options typically include small, medium, or large, depending on your version of the Kick app. Once selected, the change will apply instantly and your chat text will be updated right away. And that's it. Changing chat text size on Kick is that simple. If this video helped you, please like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more helpful Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.